If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Minecraft, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow this easy guide to get back to playing. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can cause loading issues. Restart your router if necessary. Step 2. Restart Minecraft. Close the game completely and relaunch it. Sometimes a simple restart can clear temporary glitches that cause loading problems. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Check for updates in the launcher and install any available updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Allocate more RAM. Open the Minecraft launcher, go to Installation, select your profile and click on More options. Increase the amount of RAM allocated to Minecraft to improve performance and reduce loading times. Step 5. Clear cache and reinstall. If the problem persists, clear the game cache or reinstall Minecraft. This can help eliminate corrupted files that may be causing the loading screen issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue in Minecraft. Enjoy your gaming experience.